So my name is Rudy from Rudy's Adventure and Design, and I want to show you one of onX Offroad's newest features, Route Builder. To find this feature, you need to open your app and then go down to where it says Tools and click on the icon that says Route Builder. After pressing Route Builder, you can press Snap to or Point Draw. And what that's going to let you do is tap anywhere on the screen, and that's going to start your route. From there, you're going to tap where you want to go. onX is going to spot you the best route they think to get you from point A to point B. If you want to make the route longer, you simply just add another point on the map, and it will get you there. From there, you're going to name your new trail. Click Save. It's going to be saved to your content. From there, it's going to show you your elevation gained, it's going to show you your elevation dropped, and it's going to show you the distance of the route you just made. After that, you can add it to your folder or you can share it to a friend. This route building feature lets you connect hundreds and thousands of your favorite miles just with a couple taps. We'll see you out there.